So today's the in this session we are going to discuss chapter number 8, which is the related with the staple. This is the very much important doctrine principle of Kanun-e-Shahadat. Staple, which means shut the mouth of a person who has stated something and took the certain facts in the knowledge of the court, but thereafter that person trying to retreat or denied that version. So this principle will come in the way of that procedure. So this procedure, this doctrine has been discussed in the article number 114 to article number 116. So here's the I'm going to share with you slides today's further continuation of the lecture. These are the so here are the students. I hope the slide is appearing on your screen and you can easily watch and access the slides. So students, this is the part 2 of the Kanun-e-Shahadat, and the chapter number 8. The heading of this chapter is the staple. So this staple, the principle has been defined in the article number 114 to article 100 number 16 in the law of evidence Kanun-e-Shahadat Act, which laid down the provision relating to the doctrine of the staple. So article 114 embodies the principle of the staple. So what is the introduction of this doctrine? The doctrine of staple is based on the principle of equity. So article 114 and 115 and 16 of the law of evidence Kanun-e-Shahadat deals with the provision of doctrine of staple. It would be most inequitable and unjust if one person is allowed to speak contrary to his earlier statement, as it would cause loss and injury to the person who has acted such a statement. So what is the object of that principle and doctrine? To prevent commission of the fraud against another. So what the meaning, what we have understand, staple means stopped, which means a person is not allowed to permitted to speak contrary to his earlier statement. In next slide, there's a definition of a staple has been given. So as per the contents of the article 114, staple has been defined. The legal definition, the legal wording has been provided in the article number 114 of the Kanun-e-Shahadat, Order 9084. As per the Order 9084, in article 114, staple, when one person has by his declaration, act or omission intentionally caused or permitted another person to believe a thing to be true and to act upon such belief, neither he nor his representative shall be allowed in any suit or proceedings between himself and such person or his representative to deny the truth of that thing. I'm going to read again the contents and the language of the this article. When one person has, by his declaration, act or omission, intentionally caused or permitted another person to believe a thing to be true and to act upon such belief, neither he nor his representative shall be allowed in any suit or proceeding between himself and such person or his representative to deny the truth of that thing. So that is the wordings, which means one person by his declaration, act or omission, uh, intentionally cause or permitted another person to believe a thing to be true, and that person will act upon that declaration or that act of such person. So thereafter, that person will not allowed, that person will not permitted to deny the truth that thing. So what will be the illustration? There will be illustration of the उसको आप जो है एक एग्जांपल से in order to understand further इसको unfold करते हैं. जब आप इसकी illustration पढ़ेंगे which is provided along with the article in the book of the Qanun Shahadat. So illustration जो है उसमें है कि A intentionally and falsely leads B to believe that certain land belongs to A and thereby induces B to buy and pay for it. The land afterwards becomes the property of A, and A seeks to set aside the sale on the ground that at the time of the sale he had no title. He must not be allowed to prove his want of title. So as per this illustration which trying to make us understand the doctrine of Estoppel is वो इसमें है कि A ने a person whosoever namely जो है वो A जो है जो है लैंड किसी को सेल कर रहा है जो whosoever namely B जो है उसको, और वो उसको यकीन करा रहा है कि वो प्रॉपर्टी जो है वो उसकी जो बी को यकीन करवा रहा है कि सर्टेन लैंड बिलोंग्स टू हिम, वो उसकी जो है वो जमीन जो है वो उसकी है और देयर बाय जो है बी को वो जो है कन्विंस कर रहा है कि वो उससे परचेज करे. लेकिन आफ्टरवर्ड्स जो है कुछ जो है टाइम के बाद बी ए जो है इस प्रॉपर्टी का मालिक बन जाता है, लेकिन वो बी को प्रॉपर्टी बेचना नहीं चाह रहा और फिर वो कोर्ट चला जाता है. तो वो कोर्ट से इस ग्राउंड पे बी को नहीं रोक सकता कि वो उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को, उस एग्रीमेंट को फर्दर कंटिन्यू ना करे. ए विल नॉट टेक दैट प्ली के एट द टाइम ऑफ सेल ए हैड नो एनी टाइटल, ही विल नॉट टेक दिस जो है प्ली. लेकिन जब कोर्ट में गया उसके पास उसका टाइटल था. तो Estoppel is based on the principle that it would be most inequitable and unjust that if one person by a representation made or by conduct amounting to a representation has induced another to act as he would not otherwise have done, the person who made the representation should not be allowed to deny or repudiate the effect of his former statement to the loss and injury of the person who acted it. वो कोई भी जो है no one will be allowed to जो है वो अपनी पुरानी जो स्टेटमेंट है या पुराना जो वर्जन है या पुराने स्टैंड से जो है वो डिनाई नहीं कर सकता in order to give injury or loss to another person. तो ये जो the article says that when one person has by his declaration, act or omission intentionally cause or permitted another person to believe a thing to be true and to act upon such belief, neither he nor his representative shall be allowed to deny the truth of that thing or in any suit or proceedings between himself and such person or his representative. The principle which is incorporated in Article 114 is a simple and equitable doctrine, which lays down that if a person has acted to his determined or altered his position on the basis of any declaration, act or omission of another person, that other person will not be allowed. So other person will not be allowed to retreat or to change his previous statement. Actually on that statement another person जो है believe on that statement and acted upon that जो है believe. वो यकीन जब उसने किसी ने कोई statement दी और उसने किसको यकीन कर लिया और जो another person है उसको true facts का पता ना हो, अगर उसके वो knowledge में हो कि जो उसको कोई चीज बता रहा है, कोई facts बता रहा है वो ऐसे true नहीं है, तो thereafter जो है वो Estoppel की कैटेगरी में वो नहीं आएगा. In any suit or proceedings between himself and other person or his representative to go back upon it to the determinant of the opposite party. The question of Estoppel. So the condition of the stepple, جو stepple جو ہے جو اس کی conditions ہیں, the stepple جو there are the 5 condition of the stepple. One, there must be a representation made by one person to another person, which what we have learned, جو ابھی جو discussion کی ہم نے, from that discussion we have learned that there are 5 conditions of the stepple. Number 1, there must be a representation made by one person to another person. The representation must have been made as to fact, not as to law. The representation must be as to the existing fact. The representation must be intended to cause a belief in another. The person to whom the representation is made must have acted upon that belief and must have suffered a loss. So these conditions must fulfill in order to make any thing in the ambit of the doctrine of the stepple. So اس ڈاکٹرائن کو جب آپ اپلائی کریں گے جب یہ 5 کنڈیشنز جو ہیں وہ فل ہوگی. So what we have learned, what is the meaning of stepple? Actually the expression stepple is derived from the French word stop, which means shut the mouth. When a person by declaration, act or omission makes induces another to believe a thing, cannot deny its truth subsequently. The other person cannot be stopped from proceedings upon such declaration. Stepple is a rule of evidence, rule of Qanun Shahadat, by which a person is not allowed to plead the contrary of a fact or the state of things, which he formally asserted as existing. So when a person by his declaration, act or omission intentionally cause or permitted or another person to believe a thing to be true and to act upon such belief, neither he nor his representative can be allowed to deny the truth of that thing. In a suit proceedings between himself and such person or his representative, the scope of Article 114, in order to hold that a case comes within the scope of this article, a court must find that A believed a thing to be true, that in consequences of that belief he acted in a particular manner, that the belief and as so acting were brought about by some representation by S, either by a declaration, declaration, act or omission, which representation was made intentionally to produce the result. So this is the scope and this is the meaning of stepple. I hope the picture has been clear in front of you. What is the doctrine of stepple? It is very much important because stepple جو ہے وہ جوڈیشل ایگزامس میں جو ہے وہ کوشچن اس کا پوچھا جاتا ہے، اور اسٹیپلس جو ہے وہ آپ کے لیگل جو ہے کسی کوئی بھی ایگزام ہو کمپیٹیٹیو وہ بہت وہ جو ہے کنٹینیوسلی اس کے کوشچن سے ریلیٹڈ کوشچن جو ہے آتے ہیں، وہ چاہے وہ آپ کا اسکریننگ ٹیسٹ ہو، سبجیکٹو ہو یا انٹرویو ہو. اور اس کے علاوہ it play very much vital role by the help of قانون شہادت جو ہے اسٹیپل از اے لائک، جس طرح ہم نے اس سے پہلے آپ نے ڈبل جیپراڈی کرمنل پروسیجر کوڈ میں پڑھا ہوگا یا ریس جوڈیکاٹا جو ہے آپ نے کوڈ آف سول پروسیجر کوڈ میں پڑھا ہوگا. تو اسٹیپل جو ہے اسی طرح کی ایک ڈاکٹرائن ہے، بٹ دس ڈاکٹرائن ہیز بین ڈیفائنڈ ان قانون شہادت. یہ قانون شہادت کی ڈاکٹرائن ہے جو کسی بھی پرسن جو ہے پرسن کی اس کی کوئی بھی اسٹیٹمنٹ بیفور دی کورٹ ہو، وہ اس سے جو ہے ونس دیٹ پرسن میڈ اینی اسٹیٹمنٹ، یا وہ اپنے ایکٹ سے یا اپنے کنڈکٹ سے اپنے ڈکلیریشن سے جو ہے پھر اسٹیپل کے کائنڈ سے کہ یہ اسٹیپل کس طرح جو ہے وہ جو ہے اسٹیپل کس طرح کریٹ ہوتا ہے، اور اسٹیپل کا جو ہے ہم جو گراؤنڈ ہے ہم کس طرح ان دا فیلڈ آف لا میں اس کو ہم کس طرح جو ہے اپلائی کر سکتے ہیں. تو اس کے 3 اسٹیجز ہیں جس کی مدد سے اسٹیپل ایز اے ریسیڈری کاڈا بھی اپلائی ہوتا ہے، اسٹیپل ایز اے ڈیڈ بھی جو ہے، اور اسٹیپل ایز اے کنڈکٹ بھی جو ہے وہ اپلائی ہوتا ہے. جس طرح جو آپ کے پاکستان پینل کوڈ میں آپ نے پرجری پڑھا ہوگا کہ اگر کوئی غلط بیانی کرے یا کوئی فراڈ کرے یا کوئی کسی کے بیان سے جھوٹے بیان سے جو ہے کسی کو کوئی سزا آ جائے، تو پرجری کی جو ہے وہ ہمارے پاس جو ہے وہ offenses میں جو ہے کیٹیگری میں آتا ہے. لیکن how stepple is جو ہے different from res judicata, perjury اور double jeopardy. تو یہ جو ڈاکٹرائن ہے کس طرح مختلف ہے ان چیزوں سے جو ہم آلریڈی پڑھ چکے ہیں. تو ان آرڈر ٹو یہ اس ڈاکٹرائن کو جو ہے ان آرڈر ٹو اس کے ایلیمنٹس کیا ہیں, ہاؤ ٹو کنسٹرکٹ اسٹیپل. تو کوسچن آف اسٹیپل مسٹ بی ڈیسائیڈڈ on common law principle of the construction and should be strictly construed. Any point in doubt must be decided against the staple. So the element of staple, generally the elements of staple are: number one, a representation in any form, declaration, act or omission. Number two, the representation must have been of the existence of a fact and not of the promise, the future or intention which might or might not be enforceable in a contract. The representation must have been made under circumstances which amounted to an intentional causing or permitting belief in another. The proof of the intent may be direct or circumstantial. That is, by conduct, it is not necessary that there should be a design to mislead or any fraudulent intention. Representation, even when made innocently or mistakenly, may operate as an staple. Some person must have believed that representation to be true. That person must have acted on the belief so induced and been thus led to the change his former position, thereby by his prejudice. The misrepresentation, conduct or negligence must have been the proximate and not the remote cause of leading the other party to act to his prejudice. The person claiming the benefit of an staple must show that he was not aware of the true state of things. If he was aware of the real state of affairs or had had means of knowledge, there can be no staple. So what are the requirements of the application of principle of staple in order to attack the provision of Article 114 of Qanun-e-Shahadat and apply the principle of staple? It is necessary that it may be established that a representation was made to another side, and on the basis of that representation the other side has altered his position. In these circumstances, an staple will be created against the person making the representation. So staple, it is all about the representation a person made to another person, and on that जो है statement or representation or act of another person will act it, and the person will believe on that statement کہ وہ ہم کسی کو intentionally جو ہے by the mind of fraud جو ہے کسی کو ہم کوئی اسٹیٹمنٹ دیتے ہیں اور وہ اس کو بلیو کرتا ہے, وہ اس پہ بلیو کر لے, اس پہ ایکٹ کر لے, تو اسٹیپل جو ہے وہ اپلائی ہوگا اس پہ. ادروائز اسٹیپل اس وقت نہیں اپلائی ہوتا جب جو فیکٹس آلریڈی کسی اور کے نالج میں ہو اور وہ ایسے ہی جو ہے وہ کسی کی بات انڈیوزز پہ یا اس کی جو ہے ریپرزنٹیشن میں مس لیڈ ہو اور اس کو پتا ہو کہ وہ مس لیڈ ہو رہا ہے, تو پھر اسٹیپل جو ہے وہ ڈاکٹرائن اس وقت اس پہ اپلائی نہیں ہوگی. تو جس طرح جو ریس جوڈیکاٹا ہم نے پڑھا تھا کوڈ آف سول پروسیجر میں, وہ کسی اور لیٹیگیشن کا راستہ روکتا ہے کہ ونس اے کیس ہیز بین ڈیسائیڈڈ جو ہے رائٹس ہیز بین اسٹیبلشڈ بائی دی ڈکری آف دی کورٹ, تو دیر آفٹر نو ادر سوٹ ول بی آف سیم نیچر ول بی جو ہے وہ ٹرائڈ بائی دی سیم کورٹ. تو اسی طرح دین اسٹیپل جو ہے وہ دین ہاؤ اٹ ول بی ڈفرینٹ. تو اسٹیپل ڈفرنٹ کیا ہے, ہاؤ اٹ ول جو اسٹیپل کس طرح جو ہے ڈفرنٹ, اس میں ڈفرنس کیا ہے کہ ڈفرنس بٹوین اسٹیپل اینڈ ریس جوڈیکاٹا. اسٹیپل ڈفرنس فرام ریس جوڈیکاٹا ان دی فالوئنگ ٹرمز. Staple is a part of law of evidence and proceeds upon the equitable principle. Equitable principle of the altered situation. The doctrine of res judicata belongs to the procedure and is based on the principle that there must be an end to the litigation. Staple prohibits a party from proving anything which contradicts his previous declaration or acts to the prejudice of a party who, relying upon them, altered his position. Res judicata prohibits the court from inquiring into a matter already adjudicated. Staple shuts the mouth of the party. Res judicata outs the jurisdiction of the court. जो staple है वो किसी को previous statement से या former statement से on the contrary जो उसका stand होता है उससे रोकता है, लेकिन जो res judicata है वो कोर्ट की jurisdiction का जो है वो वो दरवाजा जो है रोक बंद करता है once case has been decided. But in the most simple and colloquial way, res judicata precludes a man averring the same thing twice over in a successive litigations, while staple prevents him saying one thing at one time and the opposite at another. But once a person, but one person जो है वो उस जो स्टेटमेंट या उस डिक्लेरेशन के बारे में अगर उसको नॉलेज हो और वो उस वक्त उस पर ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं करता, इट मींस वो अपने राइट को वेव कर रहा है. तो डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ वेवर जो है उसका जो मीनिंग जो है वेवर मींस अ पर्सन इन स्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग फुल नॉलेज ऑफ द वायलेशन ऑफ हिज राइट ऑफ अ पर्सनल नेचर remained quiet for unreasonably long time without raising any objection or protest. Such person should be deemed to have acquiesced in of offending act or had waived it. So what is the difference between staple जो है और staple or waiver? Staple and waiver are different on two sense. There are two senses which create the difference between the staple and waiver. Staple is not a cause of action. It may, if established, assist a plaintiff in enforcing a cause of action by preventing a defendant from denying the existence of some fact essential to establish the cause of action, or in other words, by preventing a defendant for asserting the existence of some facts, the existence of which would destroy the cause of action. And number two, that it is the principle of the staple, but the principle of waiver, on the other hand, in a contractual and may constitute a cause of action. It is an agreement to release or not to assert a right if an agent with authority to make such agreement on behalf of his principal agrees to waive his principal right, then subject to any other question such as consideration, the principal will be bound, but he will be bound by contract, not by staple. There is no such thing as a staple by waiver. So ये तो थे प्रिंसिपल और कुछ उससे रिलेटेड जो प्रिंसिपल्स थे जो काफी स्कॉलर्स ने या केस लॉज में डिस्कस हुए हैं, जिसके हेल्प से वी हैव ट्राइड टू अंडरस्टैंड द डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ स्टेपल. नाउ हियर इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन जो है इससे रिलेटेड, अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो यू मे आस्क, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी स्टिल कंफ्यूजन इन योर माइंड्स, so you may ask the question, and we have a discussion on it. Thereafter we are going to discuss the kinds of the staple. So now you may